to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa, and today I have a video that is all about one of my favorite things to make in the entire world. It couldn't be easier. It is like a really simple recipe, but it is something that you will use on everything. This is my everyday tahini sauce, and I wanted to show you how to make it because not only is it easy to make, but it is one of those sauces that you can literally put on anything. And I'm gonna show you some of the ways that I like to use it, but like if you're looking for a versatile sauce, dressing, dip, something like that, this is the sauce for you. It is so delicious. It's nutty, it's garlicky, it's lemony, it's just like, delish. And you've probably seen me make this probably a million times in my What I Eat in a Day videos, but I felt like it needed its own video because I want you to have the recipe. So it now has a video, it has a blog post, it has photos, it has a recipe that's written down instead of me just eyeballing it. And I am so excited for you to have it in your hands and make it because I know you are going to be obsessed with it and you're gonna put it on everything like I do. So if you do want to try it and follow along, there is a blog post. I've linked it down in the description box. And before we dive in, I always like to encourage you to subscribe if you are new around here and you like healthy recipes like this, as well as healthy lifestyle tips and videos. This is the channel for you. You can subscribe by clicking the red button that is right below this video. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started making this tahini sauce and then also learning how to use it. All right, so we're gonna start by making the sauce, and I'm making this in a blender, but you can also make it in a bowl if you want. So I'm gonna add the tahini into the blender, followed by my garlic powder, pepper flakes, salt, and pepper, the juice of 1 whole lemon, and then some water. And I like to start with less water than I think I need and add extra. And then you will just pop the lid on your blender, or if you're using a bowl, just use a whisk to whisk it all up until it is smooth and creamy. If it's too thick, add a splash or two of water. If it's too thin, add a little bit more tahini. I'd recommend tasting it, adjusting the spices, maybe you want more garlic, more heat, more salt, etc. And I like to keep this in a sealed glass container in my fridge, and that's pretty much it. So easy to make, as you can see, and now let me show you how I like to use it. So the first way I like to use this is on salads, and this is the rainbow mason jar salad that I shared a couple weeks ago. It's awesome. It's like crunchy with full of vegetables, but I love the creamy dressing on top. I also love this on just a simple kale salad, or also my buffalo tempeh salad is delicious with this tahini sauce. It has like some spice and the creaminess just really cuts through that. The second way I like to use tahini sauce is on top of Buddha bowls or just veggie bowls in general. This is my Mediterranean hummus bowl. I love drizzling this on top of bowls. I just think it pairs so well. This one is another quinoa bowl. It's again like kind of Mediterranean inspired. And then this one is my Moroccan quinoa bowl. And as you can see, it really just pairs well with all different types of flavor profiles. Next, I love drizzling this on top of quinoa bakes. This is my broccoli casserole, but you could do this on top of mac and cheese. You could do this on my other veggie casseroles. It's just really, really good. And then I love doing this just in general on like my dinners. This is my herb crusted tofu, delicious as a Thanksgiving meal. And then I also love doing this on top of my stuffed sweet potatoes. Next, I love it as top of a burger, whether it's on top of salmon burgers like this or my vegan crab cakes it's really good with. Or you can also do it as like the base instead of mayo on a sandwich or a veggie burger like this. So this is my mushroom and white bean burgers. I just did a layer of that tahini on top of the bun, and it just adds that like moisture that sometimes burgers need, and it also helps the burger stick to the bun, which is really good. And then lastly, I love just using this as a dip. So here I'm dipping in my broccoli and cheddar grilled cheese, or you could use it with veggies, or here I have my coconut tofu tenders, and the sauce is orange because I just stirred in a little bit of sriracha, but otherwise it's all the same. So as you can see, there are so many different ways to use this sauce. And there you have it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed today's tahini-inspired video. I love tahini. I literally use it every single day. This sauce is a staple in my fridge. Like you can see, it is so easy to make. It's oil-free for those of you who use or follow an oil-free diet. It is creamy, it's flavorful, and it works a million ways. I know I've said that a lot in this video, but I swear this is the sauce that you will use on everything from tacos, bowls, salads, dips, roasted sweet potatoes, roasted broccoli, kale, I don't need to go on, but you get the picture. You can literally use this with everything. So I hope you give it a try. Long-winded me saying this is a simple recipe, it's delicious, and you should make it. So I hope you do make it, and if you do, come back to this video, let us know what you think. The blog post is linked down below that has the recipe, video, instructions, etc. So if you do want to follow along, you can find that down below. And before I let you go, don't forget to subscribe if you're new around here and you are not yet part of this awesome community here on YouTube. Super easy to do. Just tap the red button that is right below this video. I've linked it right here. You can tap that button that says subscribe and that will subscribe you. And as always, I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to be here. I know I say this in every single video, but it really does mean the world to me. I know you are busy, so I appreciate you carving out a little bit of your day to spend it here with me on YouTube. It means the world to me. So I hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.